to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. Well, I mean, would this really be considered a vlog? I don't know. I'm calling it a vlog. Welcome to another vlog. So in today's video, I am doing another get ready with me. Getting ready for my baby shower. So we recently had the baby shower for our son, Maddox. And so I'm just sharing with you guys some things that I did to get ready. I'm sure this will be very similar to the last get ready with me when I was getting ready for Thanksgiving. However, the look that I'm going for in this particular video is a little more, I don't want to say glam, but a little more dramatic to say the least. So I did my hair first this particular day because I was like, I don't know how this is going to turn out, so let me just do my hair first, and if it ends up taking longer, I can like speed and do my makeup, but I didn't want to like take forever and do my makeup and then my hair would be like a poop show. But I tried to curl my hair because I just wanted to kind of see how I liked it curly. I definitely didn't have time to wand it, so I was going to just throw some curls in it with my flat iron. I'm not liking how it turns out. Look at this food. I'm not liking how it turns out. Like, I don't know. With it being so short, I didn't know how it would look curly anyway, but I just didn't like the way it turned out. Because you see, it kind of was curly and then it just kind of fell down. So it was at this point that I decided I'm just going to wear it straight. You know, like, let me just get myself together. I'm going to flat iron my hair and do my makeup, and that's going to be it. If I wanted to wear my hair curly, I should have bought a curly wig, right? Right. So now I'm just going through with the flat ironing my hair, much like the last video y'all saw. I keep looking out the window because my parents were on the way. I'm waiting on my best friend Akila to get there to finish decorating and everything. She had brought everything earlier that day, but I had no idea where anything was going or her setup or her plan for it. So I was really waiting on her to get there to get started. At this point, it was like 1 and the baby shower started at 2. So I was kind of getting like, what's going on? But she ended up coming while I was getting ready, which you'll see a little later on in the video. So, about this wig. This is the same wig I've been wearing in all of my videos. I really need to get a new closure for it, like, for sure. Like, it's starting to bald. But, you know, I just feel like I would rather just buy myself a whole new wig right now. And then, whenever I want to wear a short wig and go back to this, that's when I'll buy another closure and get it put on this wig. But, you know, I did kind of like a little something to, like, make it look okay. When I do my hair, it doesn't look bad, but like y'all should see it when I be at work. It's crazy. But like when I actually flat iron it, looks kind of decent. You can't really tell. Like if I place my part in the right place, then it won't necessarily look like, ooh, girl, you need a new closure. But anyway, so I finished my hair. So I'm starting on my makeup. And so this is definitely very similar to the last video you guys saw. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch, and then once we get to a point where things get a little different, I'll be back. Okay, guys, I am back. All right, so I decided to jump back in because now I'm doing my eye makeup, which is significantly different than what I did on Thanksgiving. Thanksgiving, I look wasn't like an everyday look, but this is definitely more color intense than even that. So again, I'm using the Jackie Aina palette. I'm actually using two palettes for this look. I'm using the Jackie Aina palette and one of the Juvia's Place palettes. Can't remember the name of it right now, but I'm sure it'll come back to me. So I just use the Jackie Aina palette for my transition colors. And so I just use like some browns and some like oranges just to create transition so there's not such a harsh line between like the actual color I'm going to use and then like my regular eyelid. And then once I do that, I go in with like a darker brown color and try to create some depth and dimension just so it doesn't look as bold, I guess, to try to cut the color I'm going to use a little bit. And so I feel like I was doing my eye makeup for a long time, but it's also probably because, as you can see, my mother is standing behind me harassing me per usual. But I'm trying to multitask. So once I use the transition colors and kind of create some depth and stuff in the look, I actually go in with this teal color. In my mind, it was blue. In my mind, when I put it on my eyelid, it was going to be blue, blue, blue. But then once I actually put it on my eyelid, I see that it actually is more green. And so like teal is a combination of blue and green. And so in my head, I figured it would be more on the blue side of the blue green, but it's really more on the green side of the blue green. But that's okay because the theme that we had going was um Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, but it was Fresh Prince of Memphis. And so we used blue and green. So really it was kind of perfect. But once I get that color on there, I go back in with my transition colors so that there's not like a harsh line of demarcation between the color and then my actual eyelid. And so then I go back in with the brown, the orange, and the dark brown just to kind of soften the look just a little bit. And then, of course, I have to like blend it together. Now, I by no means am a makeup artist. I by no means am a professional at this. I am still learning. Like, I've been doing my makeup for years at this point, maybe like 3 or 4, and I'm just now getting to a point where I'm comfortable using colors and stuff like this. So if you have any tips or suggestions, please let me know in the comment section down below. However, please do keep in mind that I am not a professional, and I'm not saying that what I'm doing is the best practice or the best way to get it done. So please don't attack me, but I could always use some helpful suggestions. So I just go back in on my bottom eyelid. Is my a bottom eyelid? I don't know. I go back in on the bottom with those same kind of colors. I do not wear bottom eyeliner at all, but I kind of start doing like eyeshadow on my waterline. Sometimes, depending on how fancy I want to be, and it kind of works out for me. Honestly, at the time that I did my makeup, I wasn't really feeling the look because it just really didn't come out how I thought it was going to come out. But I got a lot of compliments, so I guess it turned out pretty well. I really don't know if I can recreate this look exactly, but if there's any look in any of my videos that you guys would like me to recreate, just let me know, and I will actually do like a tutorial on the look itself versus just doing a get ready with me. And so that will probably look more like close up on my eyes, and I will focus more on my eyes versus like my entire face on those videos. I do plan on doing one for the look I had on Thanksgiving because someone definitely asked me to do that. So I'm going to give the people what they want. So if you have any suggestions or you would like for me to do a particular look, just let me know and I will get that done for you. But as you can see, Akila has arrived in the background, and so now I'm trying to get ready, and they're trying to set up in the little area behind me, and so I kind of had to hurry up. So I finished my makeup look after this. Once I finish my eyes, it's kind of like the same as the Thanksgiving look again. So I'm just going to let you guys watch from here. Okay guys, so this is like the outfit that I decided to wear. I just wore a black jumpsuit with a denim shirt on top. You can't really see my feet, but I had on Converse with like long socks. I don't know. I guess I thought it was kind of 90s. I don't know. But that's just what I wore. And then these are just a few videos of the decorations. My best friend Akila and her sister Zakia did an amazing job on all of this. I absolutely loved it. Everything was absolutely beautiful.